Hi there, meet the CARESKYpro Plaque Remover, a powerful tool designed for effective teeth cleaning at home. It features 3 intensity modes that quickly remove plaque, tartar, and stains with advanced cleaning technology. The device only works when the head touches teeth and stops automatically when it touches gums, ensuring safe use. With a 1500 mAh rechargeable battery and IPX6 waterproof design, you can easily rinse and charge it via USB Type-C. The kit includes 12 parts, such as replacement heads, teeth picks, a wrench, and a mirror for thorough dental care. This electric plaque remover is perfect for maintaining your smile and makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Experience comprehensive, smart, and safe teeth cleaning with CARESKYpro today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.